Hi, and welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how to start OBS in safe mode, step by step. Safe mode is great for troubleshooting issues like crashes or plugin conflicts, as it starts OBS with the default settings and without any additional plugins or customizations. If you find this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Step 1. First, open OBS Studio as you normally would. You can do this by either clicking the OBS shortcut on your desktop or finding it in your Start menu. Once it's open, we're ready to move to the next step. Step 2. Now go to the Help menu at the top of the OBS window. This is where you'll find various options for troubleshooting and support. Click on Help to open the drop-down menu. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Restart OBS in Safe Mode. Click on it, and OBS will restart automatically. This will launch the program with all third-party plugins disabled and the default settings restored. Safe Mode can help you figure out if a plugin or setting is causing issues with OBS. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching.